Oh my gosh, it's so different than when I came in.
Oh my god, beautiful. I'm excited. I can't wait to do it. Focus today is no gel. I feel like your hair feels a little bit more dry today, so I really want to focus on moisture, working the product in, and really showing you that you don't really need gel. Gel is not always the center of our...
Coming on.
Yeah,
Coming on.
So yeah, let's do it. I'm excited. So I'm going to go into Flo-etry. I'm going to small sections and just rake this through.
Do you still have to put oil in the end of your hair?
No, so this product actually mimics the natural oils in your hair, so it's going to coat all throughout. So no need to put
that's crazy.
Yeah.
So excited to see how it looks.
So excited. And I'm going to go in with the Shook spray. Spray it throughout in sections.
And then what does that do?
So the spray is going to give you definition without the frizz.
Every curly girl's dream.
Oh yeah.
No frizz?
Oh my
Are you kidding?
Yeah. And there's no cast in this, and there's no crunch in it. I feel like I can see it literally hydrating your curls as we go in sections.
No way.
Yes, it looks amazing. I feel like I can see shine in it too.
I hate having the crunchy hair. That's why I like avoid mousse and stuff, you know?
So now we're gonna go in and diffuse. Hover over her curls. Leave it back to me.
Oh my gosh, I cannot believe there's not gel in it.
No gel.
Wow.
Yeah, how does it feel?
Yeah, it feels great.
Again, 2 products, the Flo-etry and the Shook spray. And that's it.
It looks so good.